Guys, how are you doing? So this is my fourth vlog for my channel and I am getting an idea that you guys are liking it because a lot of you are viewing it. But why are you guys not subscribing to the channel? Guys, subscription button is like a support button that okay, if you hit support means you are supporting me and you're liking what you're seeing and you would like to see more of it. So please subscribe to the channel. So this vlog is all about the amount of money I ujaroed on shopping last month. I thought I've done so much shopping, you guys can also benefit from it if I share it what I bought. So I did a lot of shoe shopping and I did most of my shopping online. I'm sure that a lot of you are still not acquainted well while shopping online because of probably like sizes problem, payment options and delivery and whatnot. But once when you are sure that from site A you fit into size M, so like you get a hang of it and you can shop regularly. So first thing up is I'll show you what I shop from Zara because that's one of my favorite. It's a very nice striped top. It's a very loose fit, so it gives a very loose, effortless, loungy feel. And the best thing about was the color. It's colorful yet it's not that popping, and it's made in Spain. So when I saw this, I thought, oh my god, they still have products that are not made in India or Pakistan. So yes, it was I say a little expensive because the price it is for, you can easily get a dress for it as well. But I really like the styling and I thought I should have it. Next up is a frilly top that I shot from Coops. So see, even this one's a frilly top. It's the red scarlet color. I really like frill tops because I think they're super feminine and yet they can look really hot if you style it and wear it well. So like this, I think this I bought from Coops on sale. I hope that it's still available and not out of stock, so you can check it out. It's a very cute crop top. You can wear it with high-waisted jeans like I'm wearing. I don't know if you can see it. So the other frill top that I shopped from Coops lately was this white number. So I really like the way it is. Sometimes I'm not too sure of the quality that Coops produces, but in terms of styling, I really think they have an A+ advantage on rest of the online Indian websites that we have. It's white. Some people believe that white is a very casual color and you can only wear it in the morning or during lunch or something. But I really feel if you wear the right amount of jewelry, carry the right bag, wear the right shoes, a top like this, which might be very morning for a person, can look really nice in the evening as well. So this is another piece that I shot from Coops. It's an oversized washed denim loose shirt. It's in size extra small, but see, it still looks really big. I wished I got a medium because medium then would have looked even bigger because I wanted to pair it with a flared bell bottom that I bought from Zara a few weeks ago. So this denim on denim is really in. Denim is in and denim on denim is even inner. Okay, the second last thing that I shopped from Coops is this amazing pair of grey culottes. It fits me really well and the fabric is really nice. It's from First and I. It's size medium. I anyways like grey a lot because it's a really versatile color. You can combine with a lot of other colorful prints or pair this with probably like pure white pencil heels and a nice top with chunky boho jewelry. It will really look nice. I hate it when I record the entire video and the camera heats up and shuts. So I almost ended my video and I realized it didn't record. So I'm quite upset about it. Let me have some peace. Anyhow, let's get on to it. Okay, so I was talking about the U-Shine leggings that I bought. They're again grey in color, so goes with anything and everything. Though when I received it, I was like, I could have done that. I could have taken my old pair of leggings and just cut it and distress it. I wouldn't have to buy this all again. But now that I have it, I have tried it on. It's fits really nice. it doesn't have a size. It's a regular fit. I mean, it's free size. I'm thinking to do like a small DIY video as to show you how you can distress your own jeans or pants and make leggings and not waste money like I did. I think I should return. No, I'm not returning it. So yes, this was my last piece of clothing that I wanted to share with you guys. Now getting on to my favorite part, shoes. I bought 3 pair of shoes, and 2 I bought it online and 1 I got from Zara. I have a great fetish for shoes, so much so that I have an entire wardrobe dedicated only for shoes, and now it's like completely full. I don't even know where to keep most of them now. But anyhow, that doesn't stop me from buying them. The first pair of these white pair of hot stilettos. I mean, I've been looking for such shoes for a very long time after seeing Rihanna and J-Lo likes wearing them with nice jeans and everything and looking so hot. I wanted to get them, and I'm finally able to lay my hands. These are from Dorothy Perkins, and I ordered it on Jabong.com. I got a 20% discount. I think that was the sale period when I bought it. Though I haven't worn them yet. If you can see, they're completely new. So I hope when I walk in them, they're as comfy, because it's a 4-inch heel and I'm not used to wearing such high heels. But anyhow, who cares if they look so hot? So yes, that's one pair that I got from Jabong. The other pair that is like my current favorite are these pair of moccasins. Aren't they like the hottest thing on earth? I don't know how many of you will agree with me, but I find them really, really good. They look a little dirty because I've worn them quite a few times, and it's from Boho or Boohoo, B-O-O-H-O-O, so it must be Boho. They are so cool, isn't it? I mean, it's black and white. It's patent and it's pointy. It can turn any feminine outfit into a chic, glamorous, edgy one with these pair of shoes. In fact, when I was ordering them from Jabong, they didn't even have my size, and I was like, who cares? Let me just order it. And luckily, they did fit me well. They weren't that tight to me. Okay, so the last pair that I have today, the last piece that I want to share with you guys are these pair of really cool shoes that I bought from Zara. They're latest, so you can still find them and go shop it. I mean, the moment I saw them, I thought of MJ. It's MJ written all over. They are a very mixed breed kind of thing. I mean, they're not even Oxfords and they're not even loafers. But I have a lot of shoes in patent finish, but I don't have in this color. So this will probably go with every outfit that I wish to pair it with. And yes, they look really nice. Like you see, I have not worn them yet, but I can't wait to try them and style them soon. So guys, that's it. This was my shopping haul and the amount of my ichha to show and share with you the amount of money I ujarod last one. I hope you guys like what I shopped and can make use of it and shop for yourself and look nice. Most of my shopping, I would call them like a very high on fashion statement making pieces, but they are regular fashion pieces which can be styled well and make you look effortlessly stylish. It's very easy to mix a lot of statement pieces and look stylish, but it's very difficult to look style simple pieces and look effortless. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much. Like I said before as well, please subscribe to the channel. It's like a support button. It's not about subscription. If you hit the subscribe button, I will get an assurance that you guys are with me and you're liking what you're seeing. So it will encourage me to do more. So please subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you like to see something in particular, some beauty reviews, something else that you have in mind. I'll be happy to share it with you. And yes, I wanted to share an exciting news with you guys. I am an influencer on Reposo.com. Reposo.com is an online social website where people can share their fashion inspiration and beauty tips and everything. So Reposo.com has really cool people on board. They have people like Deepika Padukone and Jacqueline Fernandez and Sonakshi Sinha and me on their influencer platform. So guys, please go join Reposter.com. You can either find them on their website, which is Reposter.com, and even download their app. It's a cool site for all your fashion feed. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys very soon next time. Until then, lots of love. Mwah. Bye guys. I think sometimes I get, when I'm talking to you guys, I get so excited, I talk so fast, I start moving. So, Shanti, deep breath.